Jamaica first, that assurance from the government as questions are being raised about the importation of food. Coming off a glut a few months ago, the Ministry of Agriculture insists that local production is always a priority. Romardo Lyons reports.
Debates against importing food. Perhaps the only thing as sure as farmers planting and watching produce come to fruition. Again, those debates have been ignited as Jamaica heightens inspections of iceberg lettuce coming from the United States as Psychospora spreads across several states. But importantly on imports, Agriculture Minister Floyd Green assured that locally grown foods are always the priority.
I just want the farmers to know that the policy of the ministry is farmer first, Jamaica first. We always prioritize local production, and the strategy that we employ is to look at the total demand, look at what is there in the supply, and never do anything that threatens the local supply, and that is our priority. We will continue to do that.
Shortly after Hurricane Melissa in October 2025, the ministry reported an excess production of sweet potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, lettuce, pak choy and string beans among others. 2 months later, Mr. Green assured that the oversupply of certain crops was not due to an excess in imports. And regarding the oversupply of products, the minister urged farmers to be proactive.
Please contact the RADA marketing officers or contact the Agri-Linkages Exchange so that we can make those connections to move the products, because sometimes it's a distribution problem, not a supply problem. We continue to build those systems.
Mr. Green reiterated that the ministry is currently creating a system to address issues around the distribution. This, he says, will allow farmers to be more aware of overall market trends.
We will have a database that farmers will be able to go onto to see what is being planted in their local or what is being planted in Jamaica in general, so that when they're making decisions about what to plant, they can make informed decisions. We expect to roll that out before the end of the year, and we think that would really help our farmers to again plant to the markets that are available.
In January, the ministry also announced several initiatives, including farmers markets and the accelerated implementation of cold storage facilities to address the surplus of certain crops that were on the market. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.